Hi, I'm Shadi Chambers from the Academy for Conservation and Environment, and today this was an amazing experience where our students had the opportunity to immerse themselves in entrepreneurship. Not only did they get the chance to build their own business, but they also had the opportunity to practice giving a pitch, and I believe this is something that they will take with them for the rest of their lives and hopefully implement it in creating their own business.
Hi, my name is Xavier, a 16-year-old from Brook Theater Arts High School, and I came today to see Miss Michelle Blue's entrepreneurship program, and I really enjoyed it, especially the parts where we made our own businesses and projected it to a team of sharks, like from Shark Tank. I feel like it was cool. It was like an out-of-body experience to be like a promoter of an actual business, and it made me feel like I could do this. Like it felt very tangible, like something that I could see myself doing in the future.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Nefertia Sebro. I am a teacher. How do I feel about this program and this experience? I think it was great, not only for the students, but also for the teachers. Our students got to expand their own thinking and think outside of parameters that other people set for them and realize that they have no limits to what they can come up with. And in this small space of time that they had for this workshop, what they were all able to produce was great, and I would suggest it for any other student, any other schools who are interested in this. I think it was great. Thank you.